Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network continuing away with our cigar nippers and match holders, ashtrays. This is a one in all unit here. This is a Lillian Russell cigar matchbox holder. It's a cigar nipper. Just get my finger in there. See how it's nipping the cigars there? And also an ashtray. This is an awesome, cool piece. Again, the manufacturer, Lillian Russell, would have made something like this that would have lived on somebody's retail store. Say you came in, you were able to buy your cigar, you were able to give it a nip, and then strike a match, give it a puff, and then use the ashtray. So if you are into any kind of tobacco collections, cigars, whatever, or you guys follow me at the cigar stores, this is an awesome piece for your display.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GNC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.